Maxine at Fabricland. So we thought we'd show you some fabrics so you can have some fun in the sun. If you like and subscribe this video, then everybody can get to see our fabulous fabrics. So let me show you what we've got on the table today. So we're thinking of Pride Month, so we've put up some headpiece here, all in the rainbow colours, and we've got lots of colours on our website. And the headpiece is really good if you're going to do an event. It really drapes well, it flaps in the wind, so this is really good. It's polyester, it's not see-through, so and quite cheap. 112 centimeters wide, so come and have a look. It's called headpiece on our website. So also I've pulled out some dress net, because what about maybe doing some tutus for festivals? Really quick and easy to make. There's an easy make tutu video on our website channel if you want to go and have a look. So there's loads of things on there. I've got lots of different pom-pom fringes which would look good to maybe adorn with it, and we do fringe, so maybe a bit of fringe on the bottom of a top or something like that for your festival outfit. So also we do ripstop. This is like the old-fashioned kite fabric, and it's made up of tiny squares so it stops it ripping. So people make tents out of this, flags. Maybe if you've got a tent to mend, you can use this. So it comes in lots of bright colours. Quite cheap, from £2.99 a metre, so that's really good. We also do breathable garden furniture fabric, so this is quite good. So this is, you can see, woven quite tightly. It's water repellent, so maybe if you want to make some new garden cushions, we've got that in a variety of colours in our shops. And we've just had in this lovely breathable fabric, which is a bit like cagoule fabric. So again, if you want to mend a tent, maybe make yourself a new windbreak, something like that, maybe a canopy in your garden, all of these would be fabulous. Not forgetting the PVC tablings. We've just had a gorgeous range in. We're using a new supplier, and these are absolutely lovely. £6.99 a metre, like the proper oilcloth. So there's loads of designs in our shops, but that would look good on a garden table or even on an inside table. So there's like cowboys, there's chickens, I know there's Russian dolls, llamas, all sorts. I pulled out a couple of polar fleeces as well. Maybe you'd like to make yourself a quick picnic blanket, so you could use this fabric and then either line it with the ripstop on the back or this breathable fabric on the back, or just use the bit of polar fleece as a blanket, maybe if you're going for a festival, so you've got something to wear in the evening. But this would make a really good picnic blanket, because you're just going to back it so it's not going to come through. So maybe that's a quick idea for you. And not forgetting our bucket hat. We've got lots of funky prints, and I don't think any festival would be complete without a bucket hat. We do the kit, it's £8.99. And it comes with the pattern for all sizes on it. So maybe come and have a look on our website and get yourself sewing and have fun in the sun. Goodbye.